Have you ever taken a photo where the subject just disappears? It's right there, but your eye doesn't know where to land. That's not a camera problem, that's a contrast problem. Have you got a minute? Let's educate, empower, and inspire your photography one 60-second tip at a time. So here's the thing, our eyes are wired to notice difference, which is exactly why contrast is one of the most powerful tools you have for subject clarity. Contrast can show up in lots of ways. Light versus dark, such as a well-lit subject against a shaded background, or a dark subject cutting through bright light. Color versus color, like a warm tone in a cool environment, or one color that feels different from everything around it. Texture versus smoothness, for example, a rough rock face against a still lake, or crunchy detail against clean, quiet space. If everything in your frame has similar tones, colors or textures, your subject gets lost in the noise. But add a touch of contrast, a bit of visual friction, and suddenly the subject pops. And this doesn't mean shouting, it can be subtle, smart and intentional. You can create contrast through lighting choices, background selection, color pairing, or even gentle post-processing. The goal here is to make a subject stand out without screaming for attention. If this idea of subject clarity is resonating with you, make sure to watch episode 4 of my Ultimate Checklist series here, where I break down exactly how to help your subject stand out. That was your Focus Bite, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching, I'll catch you in the next one.